Hey there, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cool, a playground slider. Grab your black marker, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start by drawing the slider. Draw two curved lines going down from the top left of your paper to the bottom right. These lines will make up the slide where kids can zoom down for fun. Connect the bottom of the curves with a small, rounded line. Great job! Now, let's add the ladder so kids can climb up and get ready to slide. Draw two straight lines next to the left side of the slide. Then, add some small horizontal lines in between to make the steps. Now, our playground slider has a ladder for climbing. We're almost done. Let's add the stands that hold the slider up. Our drawing is complete. But wait, let's make it pop by outlining everything with our black marker. Trace over all the lines to make them bold and sharp. Wow! Our slider looks awesome and it's ready for some fun. Now it's time to add some color. Let's make our playground slider bright and exciting. Start coloring with me and we'll say the colors together. First, red. Red color.
La da 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 dee.
Blue color. Pink color. Wow, look at our colorful playground slider. You did an amazing job. Hi, little artists. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a cute strawberry. First, let's start drawing with our black marker. We'll begin by drawing the pedicel and calyx of the strawberry. Great job! Now, let's draw the body of the strawberry. Awesome! Our strawberry is taking shape. Next, let's add some seeds to our strawberry.
Cool!
Our drawing is complete. Look at our dancing strawberry. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Look how nicely our strawberry is dancing. Now it's time to color. We will use some beautiful colors to make our strawberry look amazing. Let's start with bottle green color for the pedicel and calyx. Next, green color.
Awesome!
Now, let's add some light brown color for the seeds. And finally, red color for the body of the strawberry. Whoa! Our cute strawberry looks fantastic. Nice job, everyone. Hi there. Today, we are going to draw a cute pair of cherries. Take your black marker. Draw 2 curved lines coming from the top of each cherry. They will meet in the middle to form a cute little cherry stem. And draw 2 circles next to each other. These will be our cherries. Let's give our cherries some faces. Draw 2 eyes and a big smile on each cherry. Now they look happy. Wow! To finish up, let's add some small hearts around the cherries. Our cherries are complete. Let's make the outline bold and sharp with the black marker. Time to color now. It's time to color. Red color for the cherries. Pink color for hearts. Look at our lovely pair of cherries. You did a fantastic job. See you in the next video. Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.